YouTubers, I am back and happy to be back. Coming up on Yasmin's Cooking Show, today we are making salted codfish with vegetables and sweet plantains. We're taking our taste buds to the Caribbean, more specifically to my home, Haiti. Now, for the next 5 to 7 episodes, we're going to focus on seafood. I'm talking about crab cakes, salmon, red snapper, and of course, shrimp and southern fried catfish. Now, following our time in the kitchen today, we're going to transition over to segment number 2 to discuss, as always, nutrition. And today we'll discuss the many health benefits of codfish in our diet. Now, seafood, if you didn't know, is a great source for healthy fats, omega-3 and omega-6. And finally, in segment number 3, a moment in food history. It's always my favorite segment. We're going to talk about the long history of salted codfish in the Caribbean cuisine. I'm Yasmin. Welcome to my channel. Let's get started. Here's our mise en place, our ingredients for our salted codfish and the carotenes. This recipe will yield about 3 to 4 servings. We have here 12 ounces of desalted cod. And to desalt codfish or any fish, you want to rinse the salt off, soak it overnight, and boil it for 10 minutes. Then throw away the water and allow it to cool before using. We're going to use 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of minced fresh garlic, 1.5 cups of orange, yellow, and red pepper medley, medium diced, half a red onion, medium diced, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, 1 teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning. We can always adjust the seasonings later. 1 tablespoon of Haitian spices, aka épices. Now, I do have a link in the description below for the tutorial on how to make authentic Haitian seasoning. Next, we have here 1 cup of vegetable stock, 3 whole cloves, 1 scotch pepper bonnet for that authentic Caribbean flavor, 1 tablespoon of fresh thyme leaves, and 2 green onions cut at an angle for garnish. Okay, allons-y. To begin, let's make a simple Haitian-style tomato sauce with the oil, the garlic, the tomato paste, the Haitian spices, aka épices, the cloves, and the Old Bay seasoning. We're going to simmer the codfish for 5 minutes, then add the vegetables and allow them to simmer for another 5 minutes. And we're going to finish this delicious dish by adding the green onions.